me how to dougie. Baby, let's move. What? Can you teach me how to dougie? You know why? Cause all the girls love it. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you, back it up and dump it, get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit the dougie ride. Ain't nobody getting with my bro from on inside. He go by Bubba and they hit that dust like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas but I D-town boogie. I show my moves up in there, about it kinda do me. I leave the function and all the ladies kinda skinny.
Teach me how to dougie, teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie, teach me how to dougie. Everybody love it, everybody love it. Everybody love it, you ain't messing with my dougie. Teach me how to dougie, teach me how to dougie. Teach me how to dougie, teach me how to dougie. Everybody love it, everybody love it. Everybody love it, you ain't messing with my dougie.
Jed Madela, Christian Bautista, and Mark Heras, and your EB Dabarkads, Pauline Luna, Kimby De Leon, Julia Clarete, and Michael V!
Bitoy, hindi ka babae today!
He's a boy!
May dudulas-dulas pa.
Pero naka-blush.
Si Juan Luna. 36 days na lang, Pasko na. Kaya dito na kayo kung saan mas masaya ang Pasko. Dito po sa Bulaga! Para po sa maagang Pasko, para sa inyo, Dabarkads, kayong pala isang malanot si Buena na tanghalian ang nihanda namin para sa inyo lahat. At lahat ng Dabarkads mula Batanes hanggang Hulo, kasali sa isang masayang tanghalian dito. Wala kayong ibang kailangan gawin kundi manood lang at sagot na namin ang mga ginaldong magpapasaya sa inyong maagang Pasko.
Kumpleto ang sangkap ng maagang pamaskong tanghalian. Nahatid namin sa inyo ngayong Sabado. May Pinoy Henyo High Alumni Edition! Pero ibang episode to. Dahil kasama natin si Love Andover, Sweet Lapus at Angelicopter. Kasama yung mga kabatch nila sa high school naman.
Ayos, ha? At meron pang sorpresa si Bossing sa Lucky Ones. Kaya naman, lahat ng Dabarkads, damahin nyo na ang simoy ng maswerte at masaganang Pasko na hatid namin sa inyo dahil baka kayo na po ang Lucky One.
The Lucky One!
Kaya para mas masaya maagang pamasko natin ngayong araw, simulan na natin ang masayang kantaan sa barangay Jose and Wally! Paso!
Yeah, come on.
So we're back in the club, get the bottles, rock the cup. Time to shine, time to shine. Things got a weekend done, I've been loving something love. Back to life, back to life. Hands up, and suddenly we all got our hands up. No control of my body, before. I remember those eyes. Baby, tonight.
Come on, baby, tonight.
This guy's falling in love again.
Come on, you love again, baby.
This baby tonight.
Come on, baby.
This guy's falling in love again.
Now, everybody's all gonna dance. Come on, everybody sing now. Break away now.
I love you, Manolo!
Yes?
You gotta do it something right. You gotta break away. Did you report it up again now?
Yeah, I love you, Manolo! Wow!
You wanna get the one to the
Alright!
I'm gonna take it to what you take it to wow!
Foreigner, first time sa Manila ni Wally.
Alright! I love you, Manolo!
How do you like the weather?
Yeah, I love the weather. Manila very, very hot, and I want to now.
Yeah, the weather's very good, whether we like it or not.
Grabe. Ang hirap talaga intindihan ng mga foreigners.
There was something I want to tell you.
What do the freaking do we now?
That's it. Oh, okay.
Ang tindi ng accent.
Right. So, here we go now.
Nosebleed.
Here we go now. La Paz, catch man, man.
Bisaya ba?
Let's go back to reality. Here we go
And then
now.
we go na nakita ko yung gong siswa.
That's right, that's right.
Galing ako sa Ilocos, kagabi yung ilunggo ko.
Ibig sabihin lang ni Jose, handang-handa na sa isang maagang Christmas party ang mga Dabarkats natin dito sa Barangay La Paz, Makati City!
Makati City.
And you know what? Not only that. Not only that.
What?
They were preparing all the stone here in here country.
Stone?
You know the stone?
What's a stone?
The singing, the stone. PNC.
Grabe.
The pambato.
Alam mo,
Yeah,
girl,
pambato,
hindi na natin
stone.
masisisi ang kabingian natin. Hindi na talaga natin
That's why
maintindihan.
the stone you throw away, what you call that in Tagalog?
Pambato?
Yes, pambato.
Pambaro. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Now
We
you know
didn't
that.
get it right away, you know. But you know what?
What?
Our judges are here already. They're waiting.
Yeah, we'd like to know who the judges here.
Can you introduce it?
Ito, papatranslate natin kay Judge number 1. Walang iba kundi si Tito Sen!
Oh.
Handa na kami.
Oh, handa na. Naku, handang-handa na rin ang ating judge number 2 na siguradong kayo ang mabablangko pag ito na nagsalita. Joey De Leon!
Another master.
Yeah?
Judge number 3, best friend ni Love Anyover, si A.K. Alan Kay.
Ay, with panning shot. Parang gusto mo, pwede isa pa. Ah, sige. Judge number 3, Alan Kay. Isa pa nga, Alan Kay.
Grabe. Malapit na graduate sa School of Emote mo
May
yan.
PhD na yan.
So, sino unang PNV natin dyan?
Eto nga, pero
Sa La Paz, Makati.
Eto na, pero grabe ang mga judges, ha? Mga big boss pala yan, ha?
Yeah, heavyweight, man.
Sana magagaling ang mga PNV natin ngayong araw.
Yeah, we do our best. Good boy!
Okay, here's our PNV number 1, Ruel Riel.
Ruel Riel.
They call themselves RR.
Yeah, RR.
ERR.
Oh.
RR Herrera.
How are you, Ruel?
Okay naman.
You okay? Are you sure? Do you sure?
How do you feel about